Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new goal on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. In the home page, go to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the second option, the goal. Here, the title section, you can add the title for your goal, you can select a color, you can set the daily goal time and the period, and you can set the quantity and the start time. And if you don't, just click to the save button at the bottom of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.